Welcome to Beautyistic, where we uncover the truth behind beauty products with a deep dive into their real-world performance. Today, we're looking at something that promises to give your hair a boost of moisture while keeping your color-treated locks vibrant. The L'Oreal Paris EverPure Moisture Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner Set. This shampoo and conditioner duo is designed to cater to color-treated and dry hair, and it comes with some interesting claims. It promises to offer a rich, moisture-boosting experience without weighing your hair down. With Rosemary Botanicals in the mix, it's formulated to replenish your hair with softness, shine, and moisture. You'll also notice a refreshing, sophisticated scent profile that includes notes of rose, cedar, bergamot, and musk. Let's break it down and see how this product actually performs. From the moment I lathered up with the shampoo, the luxurious, almost spa-like fragrance immediately stood out. The scent is floral and fresh without being overpowering, making the whole experience feel more indulgent. The shampoo itself is sulfate-free, so it's gentle on color-treated hair, which is great if you're trying to preserve your hair color for as long as possible. It doesn't produce a massive lather like some other shampoos, but that's typical for sulfate-free formulas. A little bit goes a long way, so I found that I didn't need to use much. Now onto the conditioner. It's rich but not too heavy, leaving your hair feeling hydrated without the sticky or greasy residue that some heavy conditioners can leave behind. After use, my hair felt smooth and soft, and I noticed a slight sheen that added to its vibrancy. The combination of both products did leave my hair feeling moisturized, and I could see the difference in texture. No more dry, brittle strands. However, I did want to mention that the product claims to provide 2x more moisture, which I did see to a degree. But for anyone with extremely dry hair, it may not be enough on its own for deep hydration. It's more of a maintenance system than a heavy-duty moisture replenishing treatment, especially if you're dealing with very thirsty hair. Another thing worth noting is the packaging. It's sturdy and practical, but not anything special. It's not a deal breaker, but when you're paying for a premium product, a bit more innovation in the packaging could have made it feel even more luxurious. When it comes to value for money, the price is fair, especially considering it's from a trusted brand like L'Oreal. I'd say this set is ideal for people who want a high-quality sulfate-free option to maintain their color-treated hair, but aren't necessarily looking for an intensive, deep conditioning experience. If you're someone who needs serious moisture, you may want to look for something that's more hydrating. But for everyday maintenance, this set works beautifully. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap up, L'Oreal Paris EverPure Moisture Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner Set does deliver on its promise of moisture and shine, but it might not be quite enough for those needing intense hydration. It's great for anyone looking to gently care for color-treated hair without sulfates or parabens while enjoying a lush, refreshing scent. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience with this set. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.